Hello ladies and so to you gentlemen, my dear students, welcome to the new lesson of our Scratch Meet Edu course. In this video lesson we will try to make variable. But before we do that, let's pay attention on our four cases. So no matter which cases we have, we always want to move our sprite 10 steps. But what about if for some kind of reason we realize that 10 steps is too slow and we want to increase steps? In that case we will have to correct this value 4 times. For example, instead of 10 we want that our sprite moves 15 steps. So we must correct 4 times instead of 10, 15. Okay, and now the problem is next. What if 15 steps is still slow? So we must again correct 4 times instead of 15, for example 20 steps. 4 commands maybe is not too much, but what if we do something like this 20 times or 40 times? In that case it would take a lot of our time. So instead of correcting something more times, it is much better if we correct that only once. And that's why we will make one variable. So let's click on variables and choose option make a variable, and we will call this variable, for example, steps. Now we can choose the scope of our variable. We know very well that in our project we can have more sprites. So do we want this variable to be visible only for the current sprite or for all sprites? This time we will choose for this sprite only. And let's click OK. Okay, what is the variable? Variable is certain memory space where we can put certain value. And that value can be changed. And now before our forever loop, we will set our variable. So we will say set variable steps to be 10. Okay, and we will put it before forever loop. Now our variable has value of 10. And now here where we have command move 15 steps, instead of hard code we can use our variable steps. And here just drag and put here and here. Okay, and now let's increase. Click on green flag, and if we do like we did previous time, our sprite moves 10 steps. And if we realize that this is too slow, first of all let's stop. Instead of correcting 4 times, we will just at the beginning say set variable steps instead of 10 to 15. And now let's check again. Green flag, and now our cat will move 15 steps. And if it is still slow, let's turn on. Instead of 15, we will correct only once to 20. Okay. Green flag. And now our sprite moves 20 steps. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you catch the point. Why is useful if we use variables instead of hard code. Of course, if you realize that 20 steps is too fast, you can again correct to 15. Is up to you. Okay, but the point is that you don't have to do it more times. It is enough to do it only once. And that's the point of this video lesson. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video lesson. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.